naturally occurring inorganic solid that have definite chemical composition and certain distant physical properties such as color, hardness, and density. Let's see about metallic mineral and non-metallic.
Metallic minerals that contain metals. Example, iron, silver, gold. Iron, silver, gold. Non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals do not contain any metal. For example, clay, salt, and chalk. Chalk piece is made up of limestone. See about the difference between metallic and non-metallic minerals. Metallic mineral, it is hard, lustrous. Non-metallic minerals, this is do not hard and lustrous. They conduct heat and electricity. Non-metallic minerals do not conduct heat and electricity. When metallic minerals are melted, it forms metals. No new product is formed when non-metallic minerals are melted. Minerals emphasize their vital role in modern life and civilization while stressing the critical need for sustainable environment due to their finite nature. This involves responsible extraction, conservation, recycling, and waste reduction, and developing alternatives to ensure their availability for future generations, while balancing economic growth with the environmental and social responsibility. Thank you.